So hey guys, this video is for those of you who think watching videos in incognito mode is safe. So for example, if you play a video in incognito mode, I mean if you watch technical Guruji videos and if you play them in incognito mode, you think that the history will be deleted, but it isn't the case. Now whenever you play a video, you get a notification on your notification panel that what are you playing, to pause the video or to forward it. So now this is where the lag is present. So basically it creates a notification log and it gets saved to your device. Now whenever you close your incognito mode, this isn't deletes the history. Basically guys, you need to download one of these applications like notification history or notification history log. So once you download these applications, provide them the necessary informations and open them up and click on notification history to check what were the people watching all the time on their phone. So yeah guys, beware from the next time. As always, if you guys like the video, you know what to do, and please share this video all across the globe to help your friends out. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like the video, share the video, thumbs up, peace off, bye.